Are you someone who's always on the lookout for ways to attract positive energy or good vibes in your life? Well, you're surely not alone because there are so many of us who want to attract positive energy in our life and live our life more joyfully. And would you like to know how we can do that? So for that, keep watching this video, and so without delaying any further, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthy lifestyle. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from Lifestyle Speaks. An easy way to attract positive energy and success in our life, or to have a positive and uplifting start of the day, is by using positive affirmations on a regular basis. So what exactly are affirmations, or what exactly are positive affirmations? So affirmations are actually positive words or beliefs or statements which can help to reduce negativity in our life and remove all negative patterns from our mind. So these are actually positive statements or words which we need to keep on reminding ourselves, or which we need to keep on telling ourselves, so that we all can attract more of those things which we want to experience in our life. So maybe we want to experience positivity in our life, maybe we want to experience success in our life, or maybe we want to experience motivation or more joy in our life. And so according to that, we need to practice these affirmations or keep saying these affirmations to ourselves on a regular basis, which will help us better. Affirmations are actually positive statements which can help us to overcome all negative thoughts in our life and also challenge ourselves. So when we practice them on a regular basis and we start believing in them, it leads to positive changes in our life by overriding all our old beliefs and negative thoughts. How much time it takes to benefit us varies from one person to the other. But if it is practiced on a regular basis, it can surely bring huge benefits in our life in a few weeks or few months' time. And they're actually very, very useful and helpful. If you're someone who finds it difficult to stay motivated or stay positive in life, and if you want to increase your confidence levels, then doing this will surely help you. And along with that, it will bring a lot of abundance, happiness, and peace in your life. And this is something which I can surely say from my own personal experience. At this moment, currently, affirmations may seem very unrealistic to you, but they are like repetitive exercises which needs to be done for our mind and mental health, just like we do exercises for our physical health, because they will help to reprogram how we think and what we think. According to many different studies done, it has been found that if we spend only a few minutes thinking about our good qualities and our strong points before doing any high pressure task or any high pressure meetings, it will help to reduce our stress levels and increase our confidence and chances of success. And just like that, affirmations also work in the same way. So if we practice them regularly on a daily basis, it will increase our confidence levels, and it will also help to attract positive energy and success in our life, because that will kind of give us some motivation that we also can achieve something in life. Now, I would like to share with you all few positive affirmations that I personally like and use. And you also may use them to attract more positive energy, happiness, and joy in your life. Or you could also use some other affirmations which works better for you. But do try practicing them on a regular basis and see how they work for you. So now let us see what those positive affirmations are. So now we know what are affirmations, and we've also seen few examples of affirmations. So now let us understand how we can use them for best results. Before you start practicing or saying affirmations to yourself, you need to first clear your mind. And you have to be more aware of what you're saying and what you're thinking so that you can get greater benefits out of it. It should not be like that you're just saying those affirmations out aloud, but you're not visualizing them or you're not being aware about them, because then that will not give you the good results. You need to visualize them. You need to be more aware of them. And for that, what you can do is that you can increase your mindfulness by doing few minutes of meditation practice prior to practicing affirmations. The second thing what you can do is that you can make post-it or sticky notes of your affirmations, whatever you want to practice or whatever you want to say, and you can tape them and paste them over your work area, near your desk or your wall, or around your house, like your fridge, cupboards, etc., so that you see them regularly, and that keeps on connecting and that keeps on going in your mind also to attract more positive energy in your life. The third thing what you can do is that you can say out your affirmations loud, and if possible in front of a mirror, as many times as you can in a day. Like I said in the previous point, you can make post-it and sticky notes. So when you see your post-it and sticky notes, you're always reminded of them, and so you can say them out aloud as many times as you want throughout the day, and if possible in front of a mirror. The fourth thing is that you should always ensure that your routine of practicing affirmations is consistent and you do not miss out on any day, so that you can get the best results out of them. So you just need to schedule a very little bit of your time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day, anytime which is suitable for you, for practicing these affirmations. And just like you follow any other habit in your life, also follow this like a habit, so that you can get the best results out of it. Fifthly, whenever you say out your affirmations, always ensure that you take deep breaths after it, so that you can take it all in and you can absorb all the positive feelings which are associated with the affirmation. The next thing which you need to ensure for getting best results out of your affirmations is that you should never rush your affirmations. You should always set aside a specific time which is completely for practicing your affirmation. Because if you rush through them or your mind is distracted with something else when you're practicing your affirmations, then, like I said before, you will not be able to visualize them, which is very important, and so you will not be able to avail all of its benefits. You can also create your own positive affirmations so that they're more authentic to you and are more according to the results that you want to achieve. And when you do so, you will get faster and better results than practicing those affirmations which may seem impossible or way forward to imagine. When you follow the practice of saying these positive affirmations on a daily and regular basis, then you will be able to attract more positive energy in your life. And if you take into consideration certain things and certain tips which I have mentioned, then you will surely able to get more better results out of it. However, if you want to attract more positive energy in your life, then you can couple practicing affirmations with few more things so that you can get more better results, like doing meditation daily for mindfulness and developing inner peace and to be aware of all our thoughts, or creating a morning routine where you wake up early at the same time daily so that you have time for yourself, or for doing activities that can positively kickstart your day. So when you have a proper morning routine and you have more time in your hands, then you can work out or exercise, you can do meditation, you can read something useful or inspiring, you can write a journal, or you can plan your day, and you can also prepare and eat a healthy breakfast. Also, what you can couple with practicing affirmations is that you can practice the art of gratitude regularly, because that will help you feel much happier and you will be able to recognize the positivities in your life along with your worth and power. Also, you can learn to forgive and let go of whatever is holding you down or whoever has hurt you, so that you do not carry the baggage or pain of it along with you, and you can move on in life and have peace and happiness. So this is basically a choice which we need to make for our own betterment, that is to forgive and let go. Also, one very important thing which we need to take into consideration when we are practicing gratitude is that we should always believe in ourselves and we should have faith on our capabilities. This will help us to overcome all self-doubt and develop the confidence to take action and do things. So that's it for today. Do try this practice of using powerful and positive affirmations in your life on a regular basis, so that you're not only able to attract more positive energy in your life, but you're also able to do and achieve more of what you want to in your life. I hope you found today's video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.